and then you multiply this with the height of the cylinder. So that becomes the volume. See how you got this formula? For example, you are placing a coin, right? Now this area is pi r square. So then another coin above it, another coin above it, another coin above it. So basically you are adding all the coins, right? So this side, the area is pi r square. I mean, this circular area. And then this is how, like, this is the coins you are. So basically the area which is enclosed inside can be easily obtained by multiplying this base area with the height. Understand? So this is how you got this formula, pi r square into h. Okay, Jaslyn? Okay, so let us do exercise. The next exercise of your book, which is 14 point, 13.6. So 13.5, now you have to complete yourself because I think you're not having any doubt in it. Exercise 13.6. The circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter, right? Circumference is given, which is 132 centimeter, and the height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water can it hold? That means you have to find the volume, right? Okay. So now these are in centimeter. So the volume will be in centimeter. And after that, you will convert this into liter. The conversion is also given here. Okay. Now, cylindrical vessel. So circumference of the base. So this means 2 pi r, right? 2 pi r is given to you, which is 132 centimeter. Clear? From here, you can find your r. So your r will be 132 divided by 2 pi centimeter. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can leave it like this. Don't put pi here. Leave it like this. Okay. Now volume of cylinder. This is pi r square into h, right? Okay. So this is pi. Now your radius is this 132 divided by 2 pi whole square into h. Is that clear? Now because the radius is in centimeter and you are doing square, is that okay? So centimeter square. And then another height. So height is also in centimeter. Okay, you can put the value of height here, which is given to be 25. So this becomes centimeter cube. Got it? How you got cube here? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is pi. Okay, so if I open it, it becomes 132 into 132 divided by 2 into 2, 4. And then you have pi square, right? And into 25. So 1 pi you can cancel. So it is only 132 into 132 divided by 4 into, so 1 pi will remain here and into 25, right? Now I think you can put the value of pi. So 132 into 132 divided by into 25 and divided by 4 into, now pi is 22 divided by 7. So 7 will go in the numerator. Clear? Okay, now from 1, 4 you can make it shorter. So 4 into 1 and then 4 into 3 is 12 and another 12. So 33, right? Okay. Now this 33, 3 time, this 22, 2 time. Okay. Now again 2 into 1 and 2 into 6 is 12 and another 6 you get here, right? Okay, that's it. So now you have 3 into 66 into 25 into 7. Now please tell me what is the answer. Please multiply this. Yes, Zeba, please, Jaslyn, Zeba, please multiply this and tell me quickly. Can't see my screen. Okay, let me share this again. Yeah, is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Zeba, what is the answer? See, it's not that tough. I mean, you people have to make efforts, okay?
So, ma'am, now only I am able to see your screen. Before I wasn't. So now actually I'm
Okay,
multiplying it.
right. Now please multiply.
And the answer is
Hmm.
34650 centimeters square cube.
Centimeter cube. Okay, this is volume. It will be in cube, right? Now you have to find the answer in liters. So how many liters of water can it hold? So you have to convert it. This is your volume. Now it is given that 1000 centimeter cube is actually equal to 1 liter. This conversion is given in the question. Clear? So how will you convert your volume? Now you can use the unitary method. So that means 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter, right? So that means 1 centimeter cube will be equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. This 1000 will go in the denominator. Clear? Okay. Now you have this much centimeter cube. You have 34650 centimeter cube. So that means 1 upon 1000 and then multiply by with this 34650 liter. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that means now you solve it. So this will be the answer in liter. So 1010 will cancel out and only 100 will remain. So it will be 34.65 liter. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So vessel, you can write the vessel can hold 34.65 liters of water.
Then, ma'am.
Okay. Right now, the next question. Now, the inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter, right? And its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. So that means you have a pipe like this. So some thickness is given here, right? So it looks something like this. So this inner diameter, that means this much, clear? So this is given to be 24 centimeter. Okay, and the outer diameter, that means from here to here, this much, is 28 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. So I mean the piece of the pipe which you are considering, so this height, the length will actually become height here, right? So this is height. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of this. So some conversion is given that you can convert later, but first of all you have to find the volume. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So basically this is hollow. Some thickness is there. So what is the volume? That means only this much part you are interested, right? So how will you get the volume of this much part? So the volume of the outer cylinder minus the volume of the inner cylinder, isn't it? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So volume of pipe, first of all, it will be volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. Is that okay? Okay. So one by one you can write first of all for your outer cylinder. Okay. So let's say its radius is R1. Just wait. Or call it capital R, whatever you want. Capital R. Okay. Now outer radius is 28 centimeter. So the it will be 28 divided by 2 centimeter. Is that okay? Which is 14 centimeter. And height, which you can say capital H, height will remain same, which is 35 centimeter. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So find its volume, volume of outer cylinder. Directly also you can write and separately also you can find. There's no issue. Answer is going to be same. So pi capital R square into capital H. Understand? Use the notation which you have given to this cylinder. So pi R square H. That means 22 divided by 7 into 14 into 14 into 35 and centimeter cube, right? So 1 centimeter here, another here, another here. So it becomes centimeter cube. Okay, so 7 into 5 is 35 that you can cut. So you will get 22 into 14 into 14 into 5 centimeter cube. Now please multiply and tell me what you are getting. I think if you do it that way, just 1 minute, please stop. Uh, okay, no issue, you can find, but okay, let's do it this way. Don't put the values here, right? Just write the formula, that's it. Clear? Similarly, you write first of all for the inner cylinder. And then in the end, we are going to put the values. Let me show you why. Right, so for the inner cylinder, let me call it a small r. So what is the inner diameter? It is given to be how much? 24, right? So the radius is 24 by 2. Sorry. Yeah. So it will be 24 divided by 2 centimeter, which is 12 centimeter. And the height of this inner cylinder is again 35 centimeter, right? So the volume of inner cylinder is pi r square h. Is that okay? Okay, now you come to your volume of pipe. So volume of pipe is volume of outer cylinder, which is pi r square h minus volume of inner cylinder. Is that okay? Okay, now you put it. So pi into what was capital R? It was 14 whole square and h was 35. Is that okay? Centimeter cube minus. So pi, now this is 12 whole square and this is again 35 centimeter cube. Is that okay? Now you can see there are some things which are common here. So that you can take common. So pi you can bring outside and then 35 also you can bring outside, right? So then you have 14 square minus 12 square and answer is in centimeter cube. Zeba, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now you can use the identity a square minus b square if you don't want to multiply big numbers. So this is 35. Okay, here you can put values now. So 22 divided by 7 into 35. Now this becomes a plus b into a minus b. So 14 plus 12 into 14 minus 12. Is that okay? All right. Now 7 into 5 is 35. So you get 22 into 5. So here you get 4 plus 2, 6. So 26 into 2, right? Centimeter cube. So 5 into 2, 10. Carry 1. 5 into 2, 10. 110. This is 2 into 6, 12. Carry 1, 4, 52. Now you can see calculations are so simple now, right? So this you can multiply. So 52 into 11. 5, 165. So 165 and 0. So this way you will not have to multiply big numbers and then do the subtraction. I hope I have not done any mistake here. 22 into 5 is, and then I have 2 into 26. Yeah, is this correct? I think so. Yes, Zeba, Jaslyn. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now some conversion is given in the question. Please read the question again. what you have to find here is mass. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of this. So let me just write down. So this is your volume of pipe, right? Now it is given in the question that 1 centimeter cube is equal to 0.6. Yeah, what's that? Grams, right? Yeah. Okay. Now, again, you can use unitary method. You don't require, because 1 centimeter cube directly given 0.6 gram. Now you have 1650 centimeter cube. So that means you just multiply. So 0.6 into 1650 grams. Is that okay? So this you can solve. So this is, remove the decimal, 6 by 10 into 1650 grams. So 0 will get cancelled out. And it is simply 6 into 165. 6 into 5, 30, carry 3. 6 into 6 is 36 and carry 3, 9. 3. 6 into 1, 6 and sorry, 6 into 1, 6 and 3, 9. So 990 I'm getting here. 990 grams. Okay. Now you can convert this in kg. So this you already know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg, right? I mean, you buy something from the market, so I hope you have an idea. If you want half kg, that means 500 grams, right? If you want 1/4 kg, that means 250 grams. So 1000 gram combined to form 1 kg. So, so that means if you want to find the value of 1 gram, so it will become 1 upon 1000 kg. This 1000 will come in the denominator, isn't it? Okay, so instead of this gram, you can put this value of 1 gram. So 990 into this 1 gram, you can write 1 upon 1000. The answer is in kg now. So, I mean, 0 will get cancelled out and you get 0.99 kg. What is the answer in NCRT? Can you tell me? Yes, Zeba, what is the answer given in NCRT book? Can you check at the back?
Yes, ma'am. Just a second. Ma'am, in my book, that page is not there actually.
Okay. Jesslyn, can you please tell me the answer given in NCRT book for this question? Quickly. I just want to check whether I'm getting the right answer or not. Yes, Jesslyn, are you here in the class? Okay, let me just open my PDF. Actually, I
No,
haven't. Yeah.
maybe I got it. Actually, it was mixed up that page. The answer is 3.432 kg.
Okay. So I think some calculation mistake I've done somewhere. Okay, when I'm finding the volume of this pipe is, I hope I've done everything correct. Just 1 minute. Okay, 24 half is 12 and this is 14. Okay, that's right. 35 centimeter. Okay. Hmm. Okay, let me just check if I find it out separately. What should I get here? Just I want to check. Just 1 minute. 14 into 14 into 35 divided by 7. Mm. So in that case, I'm getting here 21560. Okay. Mm-mm. Okay. And for the other one, what will I get? 22 into 12 into 12 into 35, 7. So I will get this 840. Okay, so 21560 minus. Okay, so I should get here 5720. Some mistake I have done here. Let us recheck, okay? Okay, just rechecking. So when I'm doing pi r square h minus pi r square h, here there was a mistake. Is that okay? So this is volume of the outer cylinder minus the volume of the inner cylinder, right? So from here I'm taking pi common. Okay, so I have my capital R was 14 square and height is 35, right? Now minus this was 12 whole square and again height is 35. So I'm also taking 35 outside. So I have now 35 pi and 14 square minus 12 square. Okay, so 35 into 22 divided by 7. Okay, now here I have a square minus b square. So I'm making a plus b into a minus b, right? Now 7 into 5 is 35. So I have 5 into 22 multiplied by 4 plus 2, 6 and 1 plus 2, 26 into 2, right? So what will I get here? So 5 into 22 into 26 into 2. I'm getting 5720. I don't know why I made a mistake in multiplication there. See, only this was the mistake here. Can you see that? It was actually 5720. I don't know how I make this mistake. Yeah. Instead of 52, I wrote 15 here. Can you see that, Jesslyn, Zeba?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, and I got a wrong answer. So anyway, this was 5720. So just make a change here. That's it, right? Uh, The method will be the same. You just have to put it here. So you will get something else. Okay, so this now is 5720 grams. So this is 6 by 10 into 5720 gram. So this 0 cancel out. So you have 6 into 572, right? Okay. So this you multiply. So you are going to get 3432 grams. Now this gram you are going to substitute. You are going to make this into kg. So 3432. Now this gram can be written as 1/1000 kg, right? As you can see here in the conversion. And then you put decimal. So it becomes 3.432 kg. That's the answer. Okay. Next question now. Question number 3 quickly. So Zeba, how many chapters are remaining in our syllabus? I think we have done all. I'll just recheck. Probability is remaining, that I know. Now please read question number 3, all of you. So a soft drink is available in 2 packs. A tin can with a rectangular base, okay, having a height this. So one can looks like this, right? It has some height. So in this type of can it is available, whose dimensions are given. This length is 5 centimeter, the width is 4 centimeter, and height of this can is 15 centimeter. Okay, and second, a plastic cylinder with circular base. So the another can is in the shape of a cylinder. Circular base of diameter 7 centimeter. So diameter is equal to 7 centimeter. So that implies the radius is 7 divided by 2 centimeter. And height, so you can call this capital H, right? Because this is a small h we are denoting. Give it some other notation, make it capital H. All right. Or H1, H2 you can write, no issue. Now this height is 10 centimeter. Which container has greater capacity and by how much? So both volume you will find, right? So first you find capacity of tin can. So this is of plastic and this is of tin. So we are finding capacity of tin can, which is cuboid, which is nothing but volume of cuboid. All right, which is length into breadth into height. So length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter, height is 15 centimeter. Okay, now this you can easily multiply. So 5 into 4 is 20 centimeter cube, and then 15 into 2 is 30, right? So it becomes 300 centimeter cube. Okay. So this is the capacity of tin can. Now next, capacity of plastic cylinder. So volume, that means pi r square h. H I'm denoting here. Pi, which is 22 by 7, into radius is 7 by 2, right? So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height is 10 centimeter, which is given. So it will be in centimeter cube now. Clear? 7 can cancel out. Okay. And this 1 2 you can cancel here, so it will become 11 into 7 divided by 2 into 10. Is that okay? This also you can cut, so 2 into 1 and 2 into 5. So this is just 11 into 7 into 5 is 35 centimeter cube. Now this you can multiply 5 and then 1 into 5, 1 into 3, 5, 8, 385 I'm getting here centimeter cube. So which one has a greater volume? Cylinder or cuboid? Come on. See, you people have to speak. Now this is 300 and this is 385. So which container is having a greater capacity?
Plastic container.
Plastic container, yes. So you will write because it is asked in the question. So therefore, capacity of plastic cylinder is greater than the capacity of tin can, right? And by how much? That means what is the difference in the capacity? So you can write difference, that's it. So difference is, so plastic container is having 385 centimeter cube and this tin can is having 300 centimeter cube. So 85 centimeter cube, right? So you can say in the end, thus the plastic cylinder is the plastic cylinder has greater capacity by 85 centimeter cube. That means it is greater, and how much? That means 85 centimeter cube. So this way you have to conclude. Okay, now next question quickly. Okay, if the lateral surface area of a cylinder, so what is the lateral surface area? That means the curved surface area, right? CSA of cylinder is given to you, which is 94.2 centimeter square. Okay, and the height is 5 centimeter also given. Find the radius of the base and its volume. So first thing you have to find radius. What is the curved surface area of a cylinder? That is 2 pi r h, right? So this is 94.2 centimeter square already given. Okay, so you can find r because h is also given. So 2 pi r, h is also given, which is 5, right? This is equal to 94.2, and R will be 94.2 and divided by 2 into pi into 5. Is that clear? And this is going to be in centimeter. Now you can simplify this. So first you remove the decimal, 942 divided by 10, right? Then you have 2 into pi. That means 22, and 7 will come here, and then 1 5 you have, right? Okay, now simplify this. So you can reduce it from 2 first of all. So 2 into 4 is 8, 14. So 2 into 7, 471 into 7. Okay, now divided by 10 into 22 into 5, right? So 1, 2 I have cancelled. Now next step. mm, 47, that means no. Okay, in the question it was given that you have to use pi 3.14, right? So that will make your calculation easy. Let me put that value here. Okay. All right. So 94.2 divided by 2 into. So in place of pi, I'm writing 3.14 and into 5. Is that all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think it is exactly going 3 times. If you can check 3.14 into 3. 3 into 4 is 12. Carry 1. 3 into 1 is 3 and then 1 4. And 3 into 3 is 9. So you're getting 9.42. So what you can do is remove all the decimals first. So this will become 94 and 110 will come here, right? Into 2 into, now this will become 314 and then 100 will come here and then you have 5. Is that okay? So I have removed all the decimal. Now exactly 3 times it will cancel this 942. So you get 3 divided by and then 10 you can cancel here. So you have 10 here. Now you have 2 into 5. Is that okay? Now 2 into 5 is 10 and then 10 cancel out. So you have only 3 centimeter. So this is R you were finding out. So radius you have found, first part. Now second part, you have to find the volume of the cylinder, which is pi r square h. So pi you have to use 3.14 in this question. Radius is 3 square. And how much is height? It was 10, no 5 centimeter cube. Okay. Now please simplify this. So 3.14 into 9 into 5 centimeter cube. All right. Now you have to multiply. That's it. So 314 divided by 100 and into 9 into 5 centimeter cube. Now please multiply the numerator. You can simplify it a little bit here because, uh, okay, first you cut this by 2. So 2 into 1 is 2, then 11. So 2 into 5 is 10, 14. So 2 into 7. And then you get a 50 here, right? If you divide by 2. And then 9 into 5 centimeter cube. Now with this 5, you can again make it 10. So it will become 157 into 9 and divided by 10. Is that okay? So 1 0 is gone. Now this you can multiply. So 157 into 9. Okay, 9 into 7 or 7 into 9 is 63. 6. 5 into 9 is 45. And then you have 6. So that becomes 51. 9 into 1 is 9 and then become 14. And then you have 1413 divided by 10 centimeter cube. This is 141.3 centimeter cube. That's the answer. Is that okay? So, Jaslyn, in the next class, I will be discussing your test result. I couldn't check it due to some reasons. So, I'll tell you. All right, now next one. Zeba, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you see quickly. So it cost rupees this much to paint the inner curved surface area of the cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. So that means the height of the cylinder is 10 meter, right? If the cost of painting is at the rate of this, find the inner curved surface area and so on. So nothing is given, but the cost is given, right? Okay. So if you remember in the previous question, for example, some rate is given, right? Rate of painting, let's say. And then, uh, I mean, rate of painting some area is given, right? And you want to find the cost. So what we were doing is, for to find the cost, whatever rate is given, so we multiply this rate with our area. This gives us the cost, isn't it? Do you remember? In many questions, we have already done it. For example, now try to understand. For example, let's say I got my area, which is 20 meters square. Understand? Now, rate of painting given in the question, any rate I'm taking, let's say 5 per meter square. Understand? So what will be the cost of painting? So how we used to solve this? Now, what is the meaning of rate? So it is given rate when it is written 5 per meter square. What is the meaning of it? That means cost of painting 1 meter square is rupees 5. Understand? Yes. And then you have how many meters? If you have 20 meter, So that means cost of painting your 20 meter square will be, so you just multiply this 5 with 20. So that gives you 100 rupees. Remember this, everyone? Okay. Now in this question, this cost is actually given to you, right? Understand? So cost means what we are doing here. This is your rate, right? And this is your area. So that means rate into area is already given. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Say yes or no. All right. So now coming to our question. So that was just to explain you. Now come back to our question. So basically, cost of painting is equal to area. In this case, it is the inner curved surface area, right? Inner curved surface area and multiplied by rate of painting. I hope you understand this step now, right? It is just the reverse which we were actually doing previously. Now this cost is already given. That means 2200, right? And this is your inner CSA into, now this rate is also given in the question, which is rupees 20 per meter square. Can you read it again? If the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. Is that okay? Okay. So from here you can find your inner CSA, right? So rupees 2200 divided by 20. You bring this in the denominator and this side you have your inner CSA, right? So 1 0 cancel out and 2 into 11. Okay, now sorry, it will not be rupees because this is also rupees, this is also rupees, rupee cancel out, only 1 meter will remain. Clear? Meter square. I'll tell you how to get it. So this is 0 0 cancel out. So 110 meter square is your inner CSA. So you have got the inner curved surface area. Is that okay? So therefore you can write inner CSA of vessel. That means inner curved surface area of the vessel is 110 meter square. So far, any problem?
No, ma'am.
See, now you must be wondering how this meter square is coming here, right? Everything was in rupees. Okay, just to explain you. See, what is this rate? Rate means, now see here, I should have written like this, rupees 20 per meter square. This is how it should be written, right? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now per meter square means if I remove this per, sorry, if I remove this, so basically this meter square is going to come in the denominator. This is the meaning, right? Rupees 20 per meter square. I hope you understand. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now in the next step, this rupee from the both side will get cancelled out and this meter square will be cross multiplied and it will appear here. So in the answer, it will remain. And obviously it should remain because you are finding area, isn't it? Area has to be in meter square. So this is how basically the units are shifting here. I hope it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So inner curved surface area you have found. Second, you have to find the radius of base. Now this is easy, right? What is basically the formula for CSA? 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r h already you have found, which is 110 meters square. From here you can find your r. Very easy because h is given in the question. Okay. Now please complete this question. Capacity of the vessel, third part. Now you know r, you know h. Everything you know, you can find out pi r square h, right? That's the capacity of the vessel. Volume. Please complete this question. 1 minute. Let me open book here. So question number 5 you will complete. Question number 6 also you can do. See, the capacity of a cylinder is already given. So that means the volume is already given, height is already given, you can find the radius. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And then how many square meter of metal sheet would be needed to make it? That means you have to find its total surface area. Understand? Complete
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Yeah. So 6th is your homework. Now 7th. A lead pencil consists of a cylinder of wood. Mm, okay, that I think I can take in the next class. So 6th and 7th, please complete.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, bye.